Roses are red. Truvada is blue. I know my HIV status. How about you? This Valentine's Day, there are more ways than ever to prevent HIV. PrEP, pre-exposure prophylaxis, a pill HIV negative people can take on a daily basis to greatly reduce their risk of contracting HIV. Treatment as prevention, or U equals U. This is when a HIV positive person who is taking treatment and has an undetectable viral load. This means they cannot pass HIV on to their sexual partners. Condoms and other barrier protection. When used properly, condoms, femidoms and dental dams continue to provide effective protection from HIV, other viral and bacterial STIs and unwanted pregnancies. But knowing your HIV status is the first step, and we can help. Get your free HIV test from Saving Lives. Go to takeatestuk.com, scroll down and click on Request, and use voucher code LOVE18. Fill in your details and we'll dispatch a kit within a couple of days to your house in discreet plain packaging. Simply complete the kit and return it to us, and our health advisors will be in touch with your results. It's that simple. Get tested, get treated, stay sexy. For details of anything we've discussed in this video, please check out the links in the description below.